Read this before choosing the right. How many times has the rosy glow of new parents been diminished by baby troubles? Bedwetting is one such problem that can give parents sleepless nights. Bedwetting alarms may be the answer to your problems. Read on to know more. Basic functioning of the alarm. All types of bedwetting alarms basically function in a similar manner. They all have a moisture sensor embedded in them to detect the moisture and send a signal to the alarm unit, sound system, to ring the alarm. The sensor detects moisture as soon as the wearer starts to urinate, and thus lets her know that he needs to go to the toilet. Types of alarms. There are basically three types of alarms. Wearable alarm. Wearable alarms. This type of alarm consists of a moisture sensor which can be worn on or under the clothes, pajamas or underwears, and it is connected to the alarm unit with a cord which is worn on, under the shirt. Pad-type alarms. The moisture sensor in this type is a pad that the child has to sleep on at night. The pad will send a signal to ring the alarm when some urine leaks onto it. It is not connected to the wearer. But this alarm is the most unreliable, since it requires the wearer to sleep on it for the urine to be detected. Since little children find it difficult to sleep in one position for hours, this can be a little tricky. Also, it requires a lot of moisture to trigger it, almost defeating the purpose of the alarm. Wireless alarms. As the name explains, these alarms have the sensor and the alarm unit communicating wirelessly. The sensor is to be worn on/under the underwear or pajamas. The alarm unit can be kept away from the child so that he is forced to get out of bed to turn it off. A unit can also be kept in the parent's bedroom, so that they can check on the child to see if he has gotten out of bed and gone to the bathroom. Teaching your child to use the alarm. You can teach your child to use the alarm by following these simple steps. First, check that the alarm is functioning properly by putting 1-2 drops of water and confirming that the alarm rings. Then teach your child how to attach the alarm to his clothes. Next, tell him to get up and rush to the bathroom as soon as the alarm sounds, after removing it. If he manages to sense a full bladder even before the alarm goes off, encourage him by giving suitable rewards. Once he is back from the bathroom, teach him to change out of his wet clothes and put on dry ones, again with the alarm attached. Use the alarm as many times as needed per night for as many months as required to make him grow out of this habit. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to get more tips.